Chapter 1 Avionics. What does avionics mean? It just simply stands for aviation and electronics in short. Avionics system includes airborne power, communication instruments, navigation equipments, aviation-related equipments, and lastly, aircraft electromechanical devices. Some examples of avionics systems are cockpit instrument displays, aircraft computers, communication systems, and so on. There are some regulations from the FAA on the communication system. It states that all aircraft operating in high traffic area must be equipped with a two-way radio, and the aircraft must be able to communicate with the ground station. Most modern aircraft uses the IAPS, which is also known as the Integrated Avionics Processor System. It actually combines many systems into a single unit, which results in an easier, lighter, and less consuming unit. The purpose of avionics system is to enable pilots to complete their missions safely and efficiently in terms of cost and time. Secondly, it is to know the current position of aircraft with respect to the fixed reference point on the ground. And lastly, it is to monitor current situation continuously. There are several methods to determine the aircraft position. Example like roll data measurement, radio communication, the GPS, the INS, IRS, and lastly, radar. For the roll data navigation, roll actually means distance, while theta stands for the bearing. It is with reference to a ground station. Rho and theta is actually used in actual practice. The GPS navigation. GPS actually uses the satellites to locate the exact position of aircraft. Exact distance can be obtained by the measurement of distance between the receiver and the satellite. The GPS can be divided into three segments: space, user, and a control segment. Aircraft computers, sensors, instruments need to communicate with one another efficiently and effectively. Communications are done through data buses or communication lines. To ensure conformity and reliability, there must be an internationally accepted and recognized transfer formats and standards. Therefore, ARINC standards is being introduced. ARINC, which is also known as the Aeronautical Radio Incorporated, sets the standards and guidelines for engineering software and hardware systems for both military and commercial aircraft avionics systems. There are two major series in ARINC. They are the 500 and 700 series. ARINC 500 series define the analog avionics found in older aircraft, while ARINC 700 series defines digital avionics found in newer aircrafts. There are three classes of ARINC. They are the ARINC characteristic, specifications, and lastly the reports. RCAS, which is also known as the Aircraft Addressing and Reporting System. It is used to generate and transmit important information on an aircraft to ground, or vice versa. It is actually a very high frequency digital radio transmission system. Some information that are transmitted are departure and reports, passenger loads, fuel data, engine performance data, and the instructions to the crew. We have come to the end of the topic. To summarize, The main purpose of aircraft avionics system is to ensure safety of crew and passengers and to accomplish tasks efficiently. Thank you for your time.